everybody. I hope you are doing well. Today I am just going to be going over some of the beauty products I mentioned in my previous video, and I wanted to update you guys on some of that stuff. For one, the IT Cosmetics CC cream with SPF. I know I mentioned I smelled something. When I actually put it in my hand, it did have that kind of smell, but when I put it on, I could literally not really smell anything. So if you want me to update again after I've worn it and I see if I break out or anything like that, let me know in the comments below. But I have it on right now, so I wanted to show you guys what it looked like. And I wanted to talk about it for just a quick second. So I have used BB creams in the past, but for like the last year and a half, I don't use foundation, I don't use BB cream, I only use a tinted sunscreen. If you want to know more on that, I'm going to be doing a summer must-have video of makeup and beauty products, so stay tuned for that. Make sure you're subscribed, and to get notifications, just make sure that little bell guy is selected. So this CC cream, at first I don't know what the CC means or what it stands for. Like I said, I'm used to BB cream, but I put just a little bit, what I thought was a little bit, right on my hands, and I was like, holy crap-oli. It was really, really thick, kind of like foundation. So I rubbed it like this. It was like coating both of my hands, and I just only used the one hand, and I put it all over my face. It spreads very, very far. So you only need a teeny tiny bit, which was amazing. At first I thought the color was way off from my skin tone, but once I got out in the natural light, I realized, oh, it's not. This is where it actually works great. All right, so I moved you guys over here. The lighting is just like terrible. I can't find a good spot. So anyways, I have it on right now. I feel like the tone matches my skin. I got medium. You know, it does feel pretty heavy compared to what I'm used to, which is just the tinted sunscreen. It does look really nice, though. I feel like I haven't got to look at it really up close since being outside, so I'm gonna take a look right now and see what I see. I did not put any primer on my face though before putting it on. Yeah, I mean, whoa. It does look pretty like pory, if that makes sense. You know, I don't know if it looks cakey, but yeah, I'm not sure if it's going to be something that I'll continue on using. That's why I'm really glad I got this small little tube. I'll for sure keep using it too to see how I do with breaking out. Hopefully I won't break out very much. Next, I wanted to show you guys the Damn Girl mascara by Too Faced. I am wearing it right now, and like I said, I love this mascara. This is with my Cils Booster XL primer. 2 coats of the mascara, and if you can see, oh my gosh guys, the light is so bright, it's making me squint too much, so I just wanted to show you guys that nice and up close. There we go. Anyways, it's a little tiny bit clumpy compared to what I'm used to with my other mascara. That's my holy grail. That one really separates lashes and gives that really natural look, and it's very, very beautiful. This one is definitely more of like a va-va-voom type lashes. I don't have currently like a lash comb, so that's why I wasn't able to really separate them. So if you notice there's a little bit of clumping, you know, it's not that bad, and it's not so bad that, you know, made me want to remove it and start over or anything. I love that mascara, like I said before. One more update was the TANOLOGIST spray tan from Target, Lottie Tomlinson's new line. If you want my first like initial review on it, please watch the video before. Since I sprayed it on, I've taken 3 showers, and that is including the one that I took that night, the same day that I sprayed it on. And you know, you just, you know, want to wash to get the smell off of you. The next day that I woke up, it had developed more, and I was looking really nice and glowy and tan, and it was very, very gorgeous. It was not a dark tan. But to my understanding, if you spray on more, then it will give you a darker tan. It's very, very buildable and customizable as far as I'm concerned. So when I first sprayed it on, I pretty much sprayed just a thin layer all over my body and rubbed that all in. and it did work. I did get the dark color one because I want the darkest tan possible so that it lasts longer. But I am kind of disappointed. It only lasted 3 days, and now I'm pretty much back to my normal color. I would say my legs still look kind of glowy, and I definitely look glowy still. When I put it on my face, that worked out amazing. No breakouts, nothing like that, and it was very, very, very subtle. Like I said, I put it in my hand and put it in with some moisturizer, only left it on for a few hours. I am definitely planning on making a video to show you all how I do my at-home spray tan, give you the full on before and after look, and during, like how I put it on and what I do. So if you are interested in that video, definitely make sure to subscribe and like this video. Let me know down in the comments, you know, all that jazz. For more videos like this, give it a thumbs up so that I know you enjoyed it. Thanks for watching. I'll see you all next time. Bye. This lady's walking by looking at me. Okay.